What's the meaning of cross-pollinate? Cross-pollinate. Cross-pollinate.
Cross-pollinate. Cross-pollinate. The term cross-pollination refers to the process of transferring pollen from one plant to another, resulting in fertilization and the formation of seeds. This can occur through natural means, such as wind or insect pollination, or through human intervention, such as manually transferring pollen between plants. The result of cross-pollination is the creation of new plant hybrids that may exhibit unique traits and characteristics inherited from both parent plants. This process plays a crucial role in plant evolution and the development of new crop varieties with desirable qualities.